If you've ever tried creating AI videos for YouTube ads or cinematic reels, you've probably run into the same frustrating issue. You generate a strong first shot, everything looks perfect, but then the second shot feels slightly off. The character changes, the lighting shifts, the motion feels unnatural, and when you try to fix just one small detail, you're forced to regenerate everything from scratch. That wastes time, breaks creative flow, and makes serious production extremely difficult. So the real question becomes, is there finally a platform that can solve these real-world AI video problems? Today I'm breaking down one platform that might actually address these issues in a structured way. Now here we are looking directly at Higgsfield.ai. When you open Higgsfield.ai, you immediately notice that Higgsfield.ai positions itself as a complete creator-focused ecosystem. On Higgsfield.ai, you can see multiple image models and multiple video models available in one unified platform. Higgsfield.ai brings together different types of AI generation systems, so creators do not have to jump between fragmented tools. On Higgsfield.ai, you can explore cinematic video generation, stylized image creation, character-based outputs, and structured prompt control. Higgsfield.ai clearly displays different model categories, so you can visually see that all types of image models and video models are accessible in one place. Whether it's lip-sync style content, cinematic storytelling, stylized visuals, realistic motion-based clips, or experimental AI video formats, Higgsfield.ai presents everything inside one workflow. The process on Higgsfield.ai is structured and simple. Choose your model, upload assets if needed, configure prompts, adjust settings, and generate. On Higgsfield.ai, creators can see that different AI models are organized clearly, making the overall experience more streamlined. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, Higgsfield.ai centralizes the creative process. That alone addresses one of the biggest workflow issues AI creators face today. Now moving into the core focus, Seedance 2.0, which is the highlighted model currently in pre-release. Based on publicly available information and early reports as of February 2026, Seedance 2.0 appears to represent a significant step forward. Early signals suggest that Seedance 2.0 supports multimodal input mixing, meaning Seedance 2.0 can potentially combine up to 12 different inputs, including images, video references, audio, and text prompts in a single generation. That means Seedance 2.0 is not just reading text. Seedance 2.0 is interpreting how character images, choreography references, music, and prompts interact together. Another major point around Seedance 2.0 is native audio-visual generation. Reports indicate that Seedance 2.0 may generate synchronized audio and video simultaneously, where footsteps align with motion and ambient sounds match the scene automatically. Seedance 2.0 is also expected to introduce in-model editing capabilities. With Seedance 2.0, creators may be able to modify backgrounds, swap characters, extend scenes, or concatenate shots using prompt-based instructions without regenerating everything. Quality improvements around Seedance 2.0 include expected 1080p output and approximately 30% faster generation compared to 1.5 Pro. Motion synthesis in Seedance 2.0 is reportedly designed for smoother athletic movement and realistic choreography across 5 to 12-second clips. Multi-shot storytelling is another major expectation, where Seedance 2.0 maintains character consistency, contextual lighting, and logical narrative progression across scenes. Character consistency is repeatedly highlighted. Facial structure, outfits, and even small accessories appear locked throughout sequences. Importantly, when we look at AI video evolution overall, early versions like 1.0 focused on basic generation but lacked consistency in editing control. Version 1.5 Pro improved quality and speed but still required regeneration for most changes. Now with Seedance 2.0, the shift appears to be toward integrated multimodal control, built-in editing, synchronized audio, stronger motion realism, and narrative continuity. This evolution from 1.0 to 1.5 Pro and now to Seedance 2.0 reflects a move from experimental AI clips towards structured AI storytelling systems. Now looking at X, especially the official signals shared publicly, the conversation around Seedance 2.0 is clearly building momentum. The teaser posts highlight improvements and emphasize anticipation for Seedance 2.0. Engagement levels suggest strong curiosity. Replies discuss motion realism, audio synchronization, and generation speed improvements in Seedance 2.0. The recurring pattern across discussions is that creators are actively speculating about how Seedance 2.0 might set a new technical standard. The hype around Seedance 2.0 appears centered on quality, realism, and workflow efficiency. Users across posts are analyzing what Seedance 2.0 could mean for AI video production, especially in terms of cinematic output and iteration speed. Now shifting to Reddit discussions, the tone becomes more analytical but equally engaged. Community members are breaking down demo clips, comparing previous outputs, and debating whether Seedance 2.0 truly delivers on multimodal integration and motion consistency. On Reddit, repeated themes around Seedance 2.0 include character stability, editing flexibility, speed improvement, and production-level storytelling potential. The conversations show structured curiosity rather than blind hype. Many users are evaluating whether Seedance 2.0 represents a meaningful evolution beyond earlier AI systems. Across these threads, the expectation is that Seedance 2.0 could reduce production friction significantly. Now focusing on the Media Kit demo visuals, the showcased clips further reinforce what is being discussed publicly about Seedance 2.0. In these demo examples, motion fluidity stands out. Lighting transitions appear more contextual. Character appearance remains stable across frames. These clips visually demonstrate multimodal coordination, advanced motion synthesis, and cinematic composition, all associated with Seedance 2.0. The demos also reinforce the expectation of 1080p output quality and smoother choreography execution. The combination of audio-visual alignment, character consistency, and structured scene progression aligns directly with the feature set described for Seedance 2.0. When viewing these clips, it becomes clearer how Seedance 2.0 builds upon earlier versions and moves toward more professional-grade AI storytelling workflows. Based on publicly available information and early signals, Seedance 2.0 appears positioned as a major evolution in AI video generation. If you're serious about AI video creation, it's worth exploring the official links in the description, checking out Higgsfield.ai, and reviewing the details around Seedance 2.0. Visit the platform, review the technical preview, and explore access options through the provided links, including my unique link in the description. If these features deliver as expected, Seedance 2.0 could represent an important shift in how creators approach AI video production.